All right, let's start with the ingredients. Right here I have some codfish. You can use whatever fish you would like. Then over here I have, for the breading, I just have some pork rinds that I just put in my food processor until it's like a breadcrumb like consistency. So I like the Epic brand pork rinds. So that's it right there. And then I have some eggs over here, which is gonna help with the batter. And then I'm gonna cook it in this bacon grease. Whenever I make my bacon, I save the grease and stick it in the refrigerator for cooking. Now, if you notice, I do not have any additional spices, only because these pork rinds already had different spices on it, and I just don't want it to be super salty. So that is it. Let's go ahead with the actual process. Okay, so right now we have our cooking fat in the pot, and they're both very hot. That is key. Be sure that the pot and the cooking fat is hot and ready to go. Okay, so the first step is I'm gonna take my fish and just put it in the egg and just make sure that it's well coated with the egg and shake off whatever excess egg is there. And then the next thing is I'm just going to take it and coat it with the crushed pork rinds, right? So we just want it well coated, and then we just really put it in the pot. And that is it. So I'm just going to continue this process for the rest of the fish that is there. All right, so after 5 minutes, I just use my tongs to turn the fish, and I cook the other side for 5 minutes. So really, it's just 5 minutes per side, and which leads to about 10 minutes total of cook time. All right, so after the other side is cooked for 5 minutes, I just take it out and put it on my plate. So here is the end product. It was so delicious, super flaky on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. Hope you give it a try and enjoy. All right, you be blessed.